Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to fix no sound error in Adobe Premiere Pro. I give the multiple solution to fix this error and I hope one of these solution is work for you. So let's go to our video. Here is my Adobe Premiere Pro. I play my video and here is we find there is no sound in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is our error and solutions are very simple. I give the multiple solution. Our first solution is go to the Windows. In Windows, go to the audio track mixer. Click on the audio track mixer, or go to the here and click at here and click on the audio track mixer, and make sure all things are 0. All things are on the 0. If n is minus, make sure it is in 0. Manually click at here and add 0 0, and after that play your video. In my case, my problem is solved. My problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, then I give the another solution. Another solution is very simple. Go to the edit, click on the edit. In a edit, here we find preferences. Go to the preferences. In a preferences, here we find audio hardware. Click on the audio hardware. In a audio hardware, first option is device classes. Make sure it is in MME. Second option is default input. It show your microphones or your mics. Select your appropriate mics. Next option is default output. It is a very IMP. Select your audio. Example as your headphone, your monitor speaker or Bluetooth speaker or any other speakers. Select your speaker. In this case, I select my LG monitor speaker. Okay, I select my LG monitor speaker. After that, if this is not work for you, click on OK and check your sound is working or not. If it's not working, then I give the another option. Go to the here we find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, here we find playbacks. Go to the playbacks and here we find our all installed devices. If any device, example as if this device is disabled, then it is not showing this list, this default output list. Then make sure it is an enable. Right click on it, click on enable, click on apply, click on OK. Then once again restart your Adobe Premiere Pro and go to the here add your hardware and select the your device. After that, next option is output mapping. Map output for Adobe Desktop Audio. Make sure it select Adobe Desktop Audio. Make sure it is in Adobe Desktop Audio selected. Then click on OK and restart your machine, restart your Adobe Premiere Pro, and our problem is solved. If this problem or this solution is not work, then I give the another solution. Go to the playback. Here we find playback in preferences. Click on the playback. In a playback, Premiere Audio devices. Okay, go to the Premiere Audio devices and make sure select Adobe Desktop Audio. Select Adobe Desktop Audio. Click on OK. Close the Adobe Premiere Pro. Restart it. And it isn't working. In my case, my audio is working, but in any case, your audio device is not still working. The next option is go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In control panel, here we find something like category, change it to the large icons and go to the device manager. Go to the device manager, close it. In device manager, find sound, video and game control, expand it and select your device. Example is this is my device. Go to your device, right click on it, click on the update drivers, click on the update drivers and search for automatically, or go to the, if you have your drivers on your PC or laptop, then click it here. In many cases, search automatically is working. If it's not working, then go to the browse my driver. Let me pick up available drivers, select your drivers and install your drivers. If it's not working, the next option is once again go to your driver, right click on it, uninstall your drivers, restart your machine. In many cases, it is automatically detect your hardware and automatically install. If it's not automatically install, then go to that's device site. Example as if your drivers are, go to your driver site and download the drivers and install the drivers on your PC or laptop, and this is also solve the your issue. So guys, this is the multiple ways to solve this simple issue in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.